So this video showing you using iPad to download PlusToken app and also using it. So you go to Chrome and then type pluscon.pip, go, and you're loading this website using iOS and install. So let the app being installed into your iPad. So after you downloaded PlusToken app, and you cannot use it yet because you need to go to setting, and then you go to general, and you go down to device and management, and you click on that and you choose the app. Okay, just click choose. Now you can use the app. Now you open PlusToken. So it's loading the app. So you can open the app and you just make sure you choose English. Okay, and then you just click sign up for the account. And all the other steps you can check from the other video to how to sign up a new account. Okay, thank you. See you next time.